Christ!
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Holy.
Our first clip comes from Ryan, who was quite upset and asked us to censor some of his language. We've got you covered, Ryan, and we're glad that Tesla's Autopilot also had your back. We've lined up 25 crazy videos of Autopilot reactions to different situations. Buckle up, everyone. We'll see saves, fails, and even some crashes. Andy was driving his Model X with Autopilot engaged on a highway in North Carolina when he was passed by a Volkswagen Golf. Behind it was a souped-up Scion TC. The Scion somehow lost control, resulting in what happened next. This was an accident Autopilot couldn't avoid, but it acted in a way that made Andy thank Autopilot for potentially saving both his life and the life of the Scion driver. Let's see why. When the Scion came out in front of the Tesla, Autopilot engaged the automatic emergency braking just enough so that the Tesla wouldn't T-bone the Scion at highway speed. Instead, the Scion flew past him into the guardrail and bounced back, into the back of the Model X. This resulted in a pit maneuver, pushing the Tesla into the guardrail as well. At least it stayed upright. Tesla claimed that they couldn't even get the Model X to roll over during their internal crash testing. This clip goes to show that these cars are basically anchored to the ground. When the dust had settled, both Andy and the other driver walked away from the wreck. First responders were on scene within minutes. From these pictures, we can see that there isn't much left of either car. The Tesla lost both its bumper covers and sustained massive damage to its frame and bodywork. Check out this awesome picture where we can see the North Carolina State Troopers sitting in the Model X and reviewing the Teslacam footage right on the Tesla's screen. We're betting that video was pretty handy for the accident investigation. Ian was driving his Model 3 in Bellevue, Washington when he merged over to take an exit. That's when traffic suddenly came to a complete stop. Autopilot wasn't engaged, but the Tesla's collision avoidance systems engaged the brakes and steering just enough to avoid a collision. Ian says he could feel the steering wheel moving against his hands. He says it was like a professional driver took over for a split second. Both Ian and his wife felt like they were going to hit the stopped car. They're grateful that they didn't, especially considering that their 2 young daughters were in the back seat. Eric was driving his Model Y northbound on US Route 101 outside of Santa Barbara, California. Autopilot was engaged when he unexpectedly felt the Tesla slowing down. At first, he didn't understand why. Autopilot predicted a car speeding up behind them and slowed the Tesla down as the car recklessly cut them off. Eric didn't even notice the car coming up from behind, but he's thankful for Autopilot's evasive actions. Benoit was driving his Model 3 with Autopilot engaged on a highway in Belgium. In Europe, it's illegal to overtake on the right, so he was very surprised when this happened. Autopilot swerved to give room for a white van overtaking him on the right, squeezing between the Tesla and a truck. Uda was driving his Model 3 Performance with Autopilot engaged in Columbus, Ohio when a Honda abruptly merged into his lane. Autopilot sounded a warning and Uda took over and started making evasive maneuvers on his own. He's not sure how Autopilot would have handled the situation, but the warning was very useful for alerting him to what was happening. Claudio was driving his Model 3 on Autopilot in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Traffic started piling up ahead, and that's when a Dodge Ram rammed a Volkswagen Golf when they both tried to move over to the shoulder. We can see that Autopilot was preparing to make the same exact maneuver, applying the brakes and moving slightly onto the shoulder. Claudio stopped to make sure everyone involved in the accident was okay. Thankfully, everyone was fine, and he left after offering each of them a copy of the Teslacam footage. Paul stopped his 1-week-old Model 3 performance at a red light in China. He had the pole position, so he got ready to blast off and feel the Tesla torque once the light turned green. When the light changed, Paul hit the juice pedal. That's when a scooter rider appeared right in front of him. Paul hit the brakes, but he also felt that the car had already initiated braking. It happened incredibly quickly, and Paul says he was sure he was going to hit the scooter. Zach was driving his Model S using Autopilot in Orange County, California. He admits he wasn't paying attention when a truck cut him off. Autopilot engaged automatic emergency braking, and he made evasive maneuvers which landed him in the gravel. Stability control managed to keep the car from spinning. Mark was driving north on Ontario Highway 401 outside Brampton, Ontario, Canada. Autopilot was engaged on his Model 3 as he was about to pass a semi-truck on the right. That's when the semi put on its indicator to signal that it wanted to merge in front of the Tesla. Autopilot didn't react to this at all, and the Tesla just kept on trucking, closing the gap for the semi. The truck driver got noticeably irritated by this and started to merge anyway. That's when Mark had to take over from Autopilot. He powered through to get in front of the semi, who then merged in behind him. Mark points out that a turn signal doesn't give someone the right of way. The truck driver tried to squeeze his way into a pretty small spot. Maybe that's why Autopilot didn't react. Leave a comment and tell us what you think. This clip submitter was driving his Model Y using Autopilot in Mission Viejo, California, when a semi-truck suddenly merged across 2 lanes at once to get out of traffic. It was a close call, but Autopilot's cat-like reflexes saved the day. Greg's wife was driving their Model X with Autopilot engaged at about 70 miles per hour in the toll lane when a car in the main lane wasn't paying attention to the traffic in front of them and swerved through the barrier to avoid an accident. Autopilot immediately initiated braking and an accident was avoided. Plastic from the barrier hit the Tesla's hood and windshield, but it didn't leave any damage. Brad was driving home from his parents' house on Easter evening in Westerville, Ohio. Autopilot was engaged with the speed set to around 45 miles per hour when a turkey decided to cross the street. Autopilot engaged automatic emergency braking and a turkey dinner was avoided. Ken was driving his Model 3 in Alberta, Canada with Autopilot engaged when a truck merged without indicating or checking his blind spot. According to Ken, Autopilot avoided an accident flawlessly. Jerry was cruising westbound on California State Route 237 in the left lane using Autopilot. When driving past the US Route 101 on-ramp, he knew many cars would be merging, so he stayed in the left lane to give them room. The driver of a white Honda, who clearly didn't check their blind spot, came flying across the highway. Autopilot didn't react, so Jerry took over, honking and swerving to the left shoulder. Jerry powered through since it looked to Jerry like the Honda driver was not going back to the other lane. A couple of miles down the road, the middle lane cleared up and Jerry moved over to get out of the passing lane. That's when the same Honda came flying past and the driver gave him the finger. Or was that a thumbs up? Michael was heading to work in his Model 3 in Atlanta, Georgia at around 7:30 a.m. with Autopilot engaged. That's when the driver in front of him slammed on his brakes. Autopilot followed suit, engaging the brakes of the Tesla. The SUV behind him was able to brake in time as well, but the pickup and Range Rover behind her had to swerve off the road. They barely missed running into the cable guardrail. Baber was driving his Model 3 on Ontario Highway 404 in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. As he was merging, a Volkswagen Golf was in his blind spot. Even though he looked over his shoulder, Baber somehow didn't see it and proceeded to merge. Autopilot suddenly gave him a warning and veered him back into his lane. That's also when he heard the VW's horn, and he immediately realized what had happened. Autopilot wasn't engaged at the time, so Baber says he was surprised that it still avoided a collision. He apologized to the other driver and merged again, this time safely. This submitter was driving his Model Y with Autopilot engaged in Tustin, California when he was passed by a Chevrolet and a motorcycle. Up ahead, it almost looked like the motorcyclist and the driver of the car were following each other or even road raging with each other. Once the biker realized he wasn't carpooling, he got out of the carpooling lane and got in behind the Chevy. The Chevy then slowed down and started to signal to make a lane change to let the biker pass him. The Tesla, which was using cruise control and autopilot driving at a set speed, caught up with them. Once it did, both the Chevy and the biker merged into the same lane. The submitter says that Autopilot engaged the brakes as soon as the biker got in front of the Tesla. Apparently the biker got mad for some reason and shifted his focus from the Chevy to the Tesla instead. The submitter is just glad an accident was avoided. This submitter was driving his Model 3 in France. Autopilot was engaged and set at a speed of 50 miles per hour. A van in the opposite lane unexpectedly crossed over into the submitter's lane. He took over before Autopilot could react, swerving quickly to the shoulder. Without the impeccable traction control, the submitter says he doubts he would have been able to remain stable and keep the Tesla on the road. Ahmad was driving his Model Y in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. He'd just engaged Autopilot after a traffic light when he entered a road construction zone where pylons closed off the exit lane to his right. He struck one of the pylons before regaining control. Ahmad says he's not sure if Autopilot was fully engaged yet when his Tesla hit the pylon. He does think Autopilot responded nicely to avoid further pylons, and he's glad that he didn't find any damage when he stopped to inspect his car. Joel was driving his Model S using Autopilot on I-94 near the border between Minneapolis and St. Paul when an SUV started to merge into his lane without signaling. Joel honked, but he's not sure if Autopilot reacted by adjusting the steering wheel or if it was him. In the audio, we don't hear the Autopilot disengagement chime. What do you think? Ian was driving his 2-day-old Model 3 in Fuquay, Varina, North Carolina. He was heading home from the store with Autopilot engaged when a squirrel decided to play chicken with him. Autopilot didn't give any warnings or indications that it was going to stop, so Ian hit the brakes just to be safe. This next video is also from Zach, and this time he was in Beverly Hills, California when a Porsche pulled up next to him. He sped up a bit, but the Porsche driver didn't check his blind spot and completely cut him off. Zach got within an inch of a parked Prius before Autopilot engaged the brakes. Dave was returning from a meetup with fellow FSD Beta tester Chuck Cook. All of a sudden, a wheel fell off of the car in front of him. Dave took over from Autopilot, slowing down and waiting to ensure he could pull off, as it was probably very difficult to maintain control without a front left wheel at 75 miles per hour. Sam was driving his Model 3 in Gloucester, England. While turning right at some traffic lights, he was following behind a van and started to wonder why he hadn't also merged. Suddenly, the van made an illegal U-turn. We can see him activate his turn signal immediately when he starts the turn. Thankfully, Autopilot realized what was happening sooner than Sam did and applied heavy automatic emergency braking. Joe was driving his Model 3 on autopilot in Austin, Texas, when he stopped behind another Model 3 at a red light. When the light turned green, Joe was expecting the signature Tesla acceleration, but nothing happened, even as cars started honking behind them. Finally, the Model 3 slowly pulled away and took a wide turn. That's when Joe realized that this was either a very laggy version of Autopilot, or this Tesla might have had a drunk driver behind the wheel. The Tesla swerved all over the road and hit the curb multiple times. As they approached the freeway, Joe was worried that the Tesla might try to get onto it. The driver signaled to get on the freeway, but then he just continued on. Joe contacted law enforcement and informed them of what was happening. Maybe this driver would have been better off if they were using autopilot.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a cyber truck? My friends all drive diesel, I must make amends.